Hi guys, we have JURA Z9 here. It shows that we have to clean the containers. So what we're gonna do is just to take out all the stuff here. We're gonna clean up and then we're gonna put it back. I'll update you in a second. So I clean up everything from here, so we're gonna assemble these ones. We're gonna put them together the way they should be. You can dry them up if you want. There you go. And going back to the machine, it's right here. Look at this already. Put it in back, and then it's gonna show you that you have to clean it before you use it.